Hey friends, my name is Naresh Mahato, and today I have come with the 3 secrets which can help you become mastery in your field. Today basically I'm talking about how to upgrade your skills. Now, you know that you have to upgrade your skills every now and then. You cannot remain with the same skill always. In whatever field you are, you have to keep learning. Now, let me tell you one of the very important thing that if you feel lazy, if you feel like procrastinating, the reason behind one of the reason behind is that maybe you are not upgraded with your skills. Until and unless you upgrade your skills in your field, whatever field you are, you'll not feel motivated to work harder. Because when you know the techniques, when you know the solution, when you know you have everything, automatically the motivation comes and then you move ahead. When you see in a crowd in your team only, and when you see that they are not able to find the solution and you know that this is the solution, you feel motivated to go ahead and help them, that look, this is the solution. The same thing, when you have the solution, when you have the knowledge, when you have the skills and everything, you feel motivated to do hard work. And that's a basic very important thing that you have to. Whatever you know till now, maybe you may be an expert in your field, maybe you have so much knowledge that nobody have at this present, but you cannot stop here. You have to keep learning every time, because whatever you know at this point of time till then, later on it will become obsolete, it will be of no use. And that's why you need to keep learning always, so that the procrastination do not comes into it, the inadequation do not comes into it, the laziness do not comes into it. These other things will be avoided if you keep learning always. Now, this is one of the very important thing which I told you, that this is the minimum requirement for your success in any field. Now let me tell you the 3 secret which I told you, how to become mastery in your field. It's secret, basically I'm telling you about the 3 steps how you can become master in your field. At this time, everywhere there is a distraction, lot of, even from going from one place to other places, there is a lot of distraction, there is a lot of, like, you get into traffic jam, a lot of things, you come home, you get into some other work and you're not able to devote time and all, and you don't know what to do, what not. But deep inside you wanted to do something, you wanted to become, you wanted a success actually in your field. Now whatever field is that, step number one is that devote every day to reading at least 30 minutes or 1 hour. If you devote 1 hour every day in the mornings, try to wake up early morning at 5 o'clock. You can do it, and there is a video which can help you to wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock, 4:30 or 5. You have to follow the process. You can refer to my video, you can watch. So try to wake up early morning at 5 o'clock and then devote 1 hour at least or 30 minutes to reading in your field. In whichever field you wanted success, try to devote 1 hour or 30 minutes in reading and gain maximum knowledge as much as you can. And there is no limit. Keep on learning. Every day you need to keep learning. Make a habit. It should be your habit. Now number 2, enroll for courses related to your field. You can enroll some courses in Udemy or Coursera or Shaw Academy or wherever you get. Enroll anywhere and start learning from there. If you find any kind of seminar or webinar, paid or free, whatever, keep learning. Seminars or webinars can give you updated knowledge. So keep participating, keep enrolling there and keep learning. Whenever you get an opportunity to learn from a webinar or a seminar, enroll there and learn from there. Very, very important. Don't miss this kind of opportunity. Number 3, if you're traveling or somewhere where you cannot hold a book, or there is a time wastage, or you feel that nothing can be done in learning, then at least at those transition time you can listen to audiobooks. At least if you are just like you have to travel, you have to walk, or at that time at least you can listen to audiobooks. If you're traveling, if your time is getting wasted in traveling lot of from one place to the another in car or in however you are traveling, if you are in car, you can use your audiobooks. Audiobooks can give you lot of information, lot of knowledge. Nowadays almost all the books, audiobooks are available. Purchase them and use them and learn. Keep learning. The more and more you learn, the more and more you can learn actually, and you can become successful. And there is no limit how far you can go in your field. Success has no limit as far as you can go. And that's the all essence I told you. Just keep learning. There is no any kind of limit. Keep learning, keep learning, keep learning. Success will be more higher and higher. So that's all for today. See you then. And if you really liked, please like and hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. I'll be keep coming with a similar kind of videos which can add value to your life. See you then. Bye bye. Signing off.